It is now the age of the carrier. Today, catapults are at the working heart of the USS Nimitz.
Without the catapults, we have no other means of getting the aircraft off to do their missions. It's basically just a giant slingshot.
It is the task of the shooter to tune the catapult to launch aircraft of different sizes.
As a shooter, my job is to take the weight of the aircraft and the wind that we actually have over the deck and use that to determine a setting that we put into our catapult system to shoot it off the front.
Lieutenant Kozlowski adjusts her catapult to launch a series of F-18 fighters. Each catapult has enough muscle to throw a Cadillac a kilometer. The secret of its power lies hidden beneath the deck. Instead of complicated pulleys and wires, the Nimitz has a pair of cylinders slung below its runway. Inside these cylinders are pistons. The pistons connect to the plane through slots at the top of each cylinder. They fill the cylinders with pressurized steam, which shoots the pistons and the plane forward. To prevent the steam escaping, they fit two strips of flexible metal that act like zippers and reseal the slots as the pistons pass through.
They'll salute us before we send them off the bow, telling us that they're ready to go. And then we'll hit the fire button.
On land, it takes over 1,500 meters to get an F-18 airborne. But the steam catapult does it in less than 100.